For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to decluttering. When I think of decluttering, I think of George Carlin. He had this bit on accumulating stuff, and the reason that people bought new houses was because they needed room for their stuff. It always stuck with me. When it comes to seniors, I think there's really three sides to the accumulation and decluttering world. The first one is that over the years, we just accumulate a lot of stuff, and it become overwhelming. So if we're looking to age in place, and we start to run out of room, which takes us to the next phase, which could be hoarding. It's not common, but it's out there, and it's more common than you would think, that this is the house or the apartment or the condo that's jam-packed. It's the newspapers, it's accumulation of plastic bags, paper bags. There's very few, if any, places where you can sit down or put something on a table. It's the concern about pathways to safety and being able to actually move throughout the apartment or the home. So that's hoarding, and that's a topic all of its own. And then there's the what do I do after I move? There's a lot of stuff that's left, and how do I handle that? And all of this, again, can be overwhelming, and it's very easy to just kind of let it go and let somebody else deal with it, or just kick the can down the road a bit. So over the years, on the seniorlearninginstitute.com website, we've accumulated a lot of good local sources in the St. Louis area for decluttering and organizing. And there's also a list of information that you can click on in the library. And there's also videos on the topic itself. So a lot of good information available on the website. We also have seminars that relate to the topic, or you can also call us at 314-400-8102. And we'll be happy to connect you to the resources that you might need to help you with decluttering and organizing. And we coordinate all of that and refer you to folks free of charge, never a charge, nor do we receive referral fees from folks that we refer to. So give us a call, let us help. We'll be happy to do that. For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb.